This is my favorite part of chocolate. It is creamy and delicious, and it is the outside covering. And I'll show you. I bite the end off, like that, and then I'll just peel this layer off, and then I get to eat it. And it's the most delicious, and it's so fulfilling, this part where I get to see the bean kind of being birthed out of its shell, and it's purple. I'm realizing I might need a better light to really show, but it's a beautiful, vibrant purple inside and outside, and now I get to eat that part, which is my favorite. It's so sweet and delicious and not bitter.